Hi, this is Ross with My Service Depot, and today we'll be going over how to use group items. Now, group items is a great way to set flat rate pricing and still be able to have all the items and services that are included. Now, first start by going into QuickBooks. Once in here, we go up to List and Item List. Now, this is where we create the brand new group. So all we have to do is right-click and click New. So once you're in here, we're going to click on the group type and come to the group name. We need to type in what this group is called. Now this is going to be for our sump install. And we need to, of course, give it a description. Now once you have your description typed in, all we do next is come down here to item. Now this is where we add all the items that are included into sump install. So we're going to go ahead and select our septic pump. We're going to add our labor. Labor's 2 hours. The sump pump, we just need the 1. And we need to add our trip charge. Now our last option is we have print item in group. Now this really comes down to your preference. Now if you want to include all these sub-items to our sump pump install, you can have this option checked. Now, if you just want to have the main sump install and description with the set price, we leave this unchecked. This is really great for flat rate pricing, so we're going to go ahead and leave this unchecked. So once we're done, we just click OK. So we've now created a brand new group. So once we have that done, all we have to do is go back into Smart Service and open up our job. Now, once in the job, we just click the Job Items tab, and we need to click Refresh List. This will bring over any new revisions from QuickBooks into Smart Service for your group items. We can see it's finished, so we click OK. Now our next step is we just click Add up here towards the left and click Add Item Group. Now this will show you a list of all the groups you may have created so far. So there's our sump install. So all we have to do is check on that and click OK. So with group items, once you click it, it will now add all those items at once for you. So it saves you a little bit of time rather than going through and add each individual item. So we have our quantities, rates, and amount, and you can see how it's $383.88. Now once we have the item added, we can click on the work order towards the top right. Now since we left that option unchecked, you can see in our work order, it's only going to show you the main item and description with the total. So that gives you the ability to have all your items and inventory parts add to the job, but only have that flat rate show on the work order here through Smart Service and on the invoice in QuickBooks. So with group items, it really saves you a lot of time from not selecting all the individual items, and it's a great way to set up flat rate. Now for more info, go to smartservice.com or follow us on Facebook and Twitter with the links below.